my channel. How you guys are? I hope you guys are doing really great. That's my signature intro, by the way. So Rakshabandhan is right at the door, and I know I'm late. I'm again late, but I was busy, so I had to come up with a makeup look, and which has to be really simple because we all are going to stay at our home. So yeah, so this is the makeup that I have came up with, which is very Indian lacy with full of blush. So if you really want to know how to recreate this beautiful look, then please keep on watching and let's get started with the tutorial. I'm gonna start off with a clean hand and a clean face, and starting off with a skin prep routine, and for that I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence, and I'm applying it all over my face. And then I'm just going to securing my hair and then going in with a serum. This one is by Derma Essentia Vitamin C Serum. This is such a beautiful product. I have an in-depth review of this product. I will be linking that in description box as well as in the I button. And then I'm moving on to the lightweight moisturizer by Neutriderm. It is with vitamin E, and it is such a good moisturizer for summer days. And the last step of my skin prep has to be a primerizer by Smashbox. This is such a beautiful product, you guys. You'd be seeing it for yourself. The glow that you get after using this product is insane. So this is the last step. After this, I'm just going to rest my skin for 5 to 6 seconds, and then I'm going to move on to concealer directly. I'm not going to use any sort of foundation for this look. If you want, you can use it. And for the concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade medium. I am run out of the previous one, so I purchased this one from the Nykaa sale. And then I'm just going to blend the concealer in with my favorite brush by Wet n Wild. This is such an amazing brush. By the way, all the product that I'm using are one of my favorites product. And then to set the concealer under my eyes, I'm using this loose powder by Fit Me, and I'm using the same brush because I'm kind of lazy. And then I'm directly moving on to the blush. I'm not going to go with any contour. You can even use lipstick for your blush. So I'm using the Sivana color brush and taking it in a contour brush, and I'm applying it like a contour. I'm just blush contouring myself, or blush contour, whatever you want to call it, but I'm taking a more amount and also to the nose because I kind of like using the blush onto my nose. And to set my base, I'm using this Smashbox fixing spray onto my face, and this will give me a very natural look. I'm just gonna pick up any excess product with the help of the beauty blender. And for my brows, I'm using a old mascara. You can use if you want, you can use any brow product that you have, but mascara works fine for me. And for the eye makeup look, I'm using this Nykaa palette. This is such amazing palette, looks so yummy. So I'm just going to go with a like pinky smoky sort of a eye for today's look. So that is why I'm taking this color, and with a fluffier blending brush, I'm just spreading it to the crease line, above the crease line, as you can see. And then taking this deeper pink tone in a smaller blending brush, and I'm applying it directly to the crease line, as you can see. And also I'm applying it a bit more and smoking it out in the outer corner because I want a pinky sort of a smoked out look. And then I was really confused between this shimmery shade what to pick, and then at the last I decided to pick this one. And look at that pigmentation, which is so good. So I'm just using my fingers because this kind of shadow works better with fingers. And then I'm also gonna take a lighter shade because I thought that this is a bit too dark for the inner corners. So I'm taking this, and this would give me a halo eye sort of effect, as you can see. And then I'm just going in with this deeper color, and then again going to deepen up the outer corner, as you can see, and giving it more like a cut crease sort of a look, but it's actually not cut crease. I hope I'm making sense. So yeah, I'm applying it and deepening up my outer corner, as you can see, for both of my eyes, and also dragging the same color into my lower lash line for a complete eye look. My favorite song, my little. And then with a fluffier blending brush, I'm just blending everything together for a very smooth sort of a look, as you can see.
perfect harmony.
So for the eye look, I decided to wear a wing liner. If you want, you can smoke it out as well using any black eyeshadow, but I wanted to keep it simple, and that is why I'm going in with a wing liner. So I'm doing my regular wing liner routine and also dragging it a bit in the inner corner, as you can see. And for my waterline, I'm using a white eye pencil. If you want, you can go with a regular black gold pencil as well. And then I'm just curling my eyelashes, as I'm not going to wear any sort of falsies. If you want, you can definitely go with that. And as I'm not wearing any sort of falsies, so I'm just going in with this Lash Paradise mascara. This mascara is so good, you guys. If you do not want to wear any sort of eyelashes, you can definitely go for this mascara. It gives insane kind of a volume. And for the length, I'm using this Smashbox mascara, and it gives super lengthy eyelashes. And then for my highlighter, I'm using this master chrome highlighter by Maybelline, and this is such a good highlighter, you guys, especially for dusky skin tone people. This would work really nicely. So I'm using it in the usual area, and I'm highlighting my cheekbones especially. And for my lips, I'm using this Matte Me lipstick in the shade 409 Rose Blossom, I believe. This is such a beautiful rosy sort of a color, which will be going perfectly with the makeup look that I have created. If you want, you can go for any other nude color as well. This would look really good. And for my hair, I just want to keep it really simple. So for that, I'm just taking hair from both the side and clipping it in the back using a clip like this, and just pulling the sides so that it gives me a very voluminous look in the hair. So that is it. You do not need to do anything else. That's perfectly it. And for my jhumkas, I'm using this jhumkas. As you can see, if you want, you can go for silver jewelry as well. That would look really good with this kind of look. And to complete the makeup look, I'm using this bindi. If you want, you just can skip this part as well. And with that, I am done with this makeup look, you guys. This is such an easy tutorial which you can definitely recreate, and I hope you liked it. If you really did, then please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment down below, and also let me know what you want to see next in my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys with more tutorials very soon. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all.
But you already taken, nothing I can do, so I can only imagine how it is to be with you. I can only imagine us both loving through the night. I can only imagine us together side by side. I can only imagine we're dancing in the moonlight. I can only imagine